Westfalia. I'm going to butcher that name. I'm going to try again. Hello and welcome to DiceyGuy show. Today we are doing an unboxing video. Westfalia, I'm probably pronouncing the name wrong. Westfalia has sent me this box, and yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing. It is unboxed by the US Custom and Border Protection, so that's interesting. This bad boy, let's see what's inside it. Westfalia sending this to me, and they're sending some new miniatures and stuff like that, and we are going to open it up and see which miniatures are in it, and just a first impression look at them right now. Okay, it's okay. I didn't expect this. Our new 3D printed. Okay, interesting. But we have to just open it up and see what's inside here before we do that. And oh yes, oh look at this. It is a owl bear. It is some awesome miniatures here. Oh my god. Yes. We have Conan. Ah, I'm so lucky. They are so cool. I really like the dabber. The halflings are 3D printed, and the rest here are in resin. The 3D printed are of course a little bit soft in the details, but for what they are really lovely. The whole range is cool. I really like the dabber. Crumb, or you know, this is probably Sigmar before he gets to be a god. Alright guys, so size comparison. So this is a Stormcast Eternal, and this is a old version of a dwarf from Games Workshop. These are Westlife. No, not Westlife. And Westfalia. Yeah, I have to say, yeah, I really like it. This pose. He's dabbing. He's a dabbing cool guy, you know, or coffee in your album like a vampire. He is the face of Corona. Demonetizing on YouTube. Here we go. But anyways, here you can see how stuff are, and I really enjoy the resin. They are so crisp and nice, like a good you know, pizza crisp. And these are a little more soft, but to be a 3D, these are the best 3D printed miniatures I have seen. Just the way they are thought of, and you know, it's going to be quite easy to paint them up. And yeah, this is the size comparison, and if we put that there and go low, you can see approx how big they are. Alright, so anyways, yeah, thank you all for watching. Yeah, links both below to the miniatures. Westfalia, bing, love it.